Welcome. In this video, we'll introduce you to the powerful new features of Intella Assist in Intella version 3.0.
Intella Assist Facets.
Throughout this video, we will be using the EMC2 dataset created by JUR1ST. The dataset can be found at the link shown on screen. In this chapter, we'll explore the Intella Assist Facet, an AI-powered tool that converts your natural language questions into Intella queries for faster, easier querying. Before proceeding, ensure that you have the correct permissions and a properly configured LLM as outlined earlier in the video. Additionally, make sure you're using the OpenAI provider with the GPT-4o model, as this is currently the only supported configuration for the Intella Assist Facet. Begin by creating or opening a non-sensitive case for demonstration purposes. Because the Intella Assist Facet is aimed at reviewer onboarding and experimentation, we recommend working with non-sensitive case data that can be easily shared with others. Once the case is open, navigate to the search view and look at the Facets panel on the left. You should see Intella Assist. If the facet is missing from the list, double-check that your LLM integration is configured properly and that the GPT-4o model is being used. Once located, click on the Intella Assist Facet. A chat-style window appears, ready for any plain language questions. If you aren't sure what to ask, you can click on the Suggestions button above the text box to review a list of built-in suggestions. Several options will be shown here, including search for all previewed items, search for all items where the author is John, search for voice calls that have lasted longer than 1 minute, and more. You can also filter these suggestions by using the filter checkboxes on the left-hand side. For the sake of this demo, we won't use one of the suggestions. Instead, we'll type our own custom question. Search for all emails containing keyword money or its synonyms. Intella Assist instantly translates that request into exact search queries, which helps to educate reviewers about how and when to use which queries. You can evaluate a query by clicking on the search button. The Intella Assist Facet is designed to support new or occasional users by suggesting the right queries for common searching scenarios, which can help reduce or eliminate any guesswork. This concludes the section on the Intella Assist Facet. For any questions, please consult the Intella documentation and contact our support team regarding any technical issues. Thank you for watching.